is for the alligator with a mouth so big. B is for the beaver, he likes to dig and dig. C is for the camel with a hump up on his back. D is for the duck, he always goes quack, 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 quack. E is for the elephant, the biggest one is he. F is for the fox, he's smart as he could be. G is for giraffe, with a neck that's so long. H for hippopotamus, he's big and fat and strong. I is for the ibex, a cousin of the goat. J is for the jaguar, the spots are known for his coat. K for kangaroo, he is from the land down under. L is for the lion, his roar sounds like thunder. M is for the monkey, the big cutest thing. N is for the nightingale, he likes to sing. O is for the ostrich, he buries his head in the sand. P is for the pelican, he's faster than his belly can. Q is for the quail, he's a lifty-fifty tail. R is for the rabbit, he's faster than a gale. S is for the skunk, and I'll call you Mr. Bungle. T is for the tiger, he's a terror in the jungle. U is for the Uriel, an animal from Brazil. V is for the vulture, always waiting for the kill. W is for wolf, always howling in the furs. X is for the zebra's tail of twisty tiny birds. Just one more letter and the story will be told. Y is for yellowtail, a fish that's painted gold. Just one more letter and you won't be dismissed. Z is for the zebra, the last one on the list.